Baby, wait, I know that you're afraid, but it'll be okay if you just stay with me. And we can run from here and we can disappear, and they won't find us where we are going, dear. So baby, hold on to me, 'cause I know I can make you believe in something that only we can see. Oh, so baby, hold on to me, hold on to me.
Alright guys, so what's up wagwan? I just came out of the shower and put on my PJs. I recently bought these PJs. Let me know how you guys like it. Full of ice cream. Alright, so guys, I literally just recorded all that I wanted for this vlog, and when my girl realized that the clips that we're supposed to add on to this vlog got deleted, like I don't know when I went ahead and erased those files. There was so much video, like some video clips, to make this vlog a long one, because in that vlog I woke up and I did so many things. I went to and all of them gone. So this video is basically going to be me revealing my wand, because the unboxing video got deleted. So oh my god. But other from that part is the least, because I have the one here and I still have all the things here except the package that it came in, like the the delivery package. Other from that, I had so many other clips. So I guess this is me just trying to give you guys a little vlog. So I hope you guys enjoy this reveal of my curling wand. Yeah, nothing much. I'm so grumpy right now by the fact that the clips got deleted, which is my fault. I can't blame anybody. So just enjoy this video. I don't know what I'm gonna have in this video to give you guys. Yeah. Enjoy. So this is the box that it came in. Infinity Pro Con Hair, right? This is a good brand. This is a good brand, rated 5-star. Honestly, this is the first time I am actually owning something in this, but my sister owns like this magic hair brush thing, and it's a good brand. Yeah, so this is the wand. All right, that. It's 1.5 inch, or is it? Yeah, I think it's saying 1.5 inch. Beachy waves. All right. Eats up to 400 for a night. 30-second eat up. That's real. This is real, because it's out of the box, so which means obviously I have tried it out already. Bonus terminal glove. So I just saw the glove just now. So this is the glove that came inside the box. I did not realize that I got a glove. I was reading too fast, so I didn't get the chance to use it. And actually, I have actually got burns from this already. Is this a 3-finger thing? What the hell? How is this supposed to work? I need to try this on my... Hold on, people. Guys, look here. So how is this gonna... You're holding the one like here. I guess it's probably this is for the hand that is going to under the hair, so you don't get burned. But this is weird. Like, what? Very, 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 very weird. What else came in the box? This I think it's like instructions. So register your product now. I need to look through this and to see what and what. Yeah, this was very cheap too. It was $14 something, like $2,400 something in Jamaica, and I kind of shipped it down via express service, so it was like $1,400 because I use the other company other from mine. But if I did use my company, then it would have basically been like free, partially. It would, if I used my company, it would have been under $3,000 for me. for myself. So yeah, so yeah, this is it. And the curls are not bad. I have actually only tried it once, so not really much to say, but the curls aren't bad that I get from it. So yeah, so I will definitely leave the link down below in the description box if you are interested in this Infinity Pro Courier. Well, it's by Courier, Infinity Pro by Courier. Curling wand, ceramic curling wand. If you guys like it, then I will definitely leave the link down below in the description box. You guys can go check it out and let me know if you do, and let me know how it works for you. All right, so what's on the menu for today? I am doing a little, we call it steamed fish, but it's not like the big fish them. It's some sprouts, steamed sprouts, babe. It's steamed sprouts. If you have ever done this before, let me know. Yeah, so babe, come here, come check it for me. We had some sprout from the weekend and we just carry them back home, and you know, we want to use them, so I just went ahead and seasoned. Well, it was already seasoned, so I just went ahead and just, you know, put a lot of veggies in it and extra season, string beans and stuff for it. Babe, come check this if you cook now, please. Come now, come check if you cook. It look, I don't know if it even looks, still look raw. Look funny. Look, still look raw. Try with a fork. Alright, babe say cook. Anima complete say I fried my fish. It cook or it don't cook? Which one?
Bone fry. Bone cook.
Idiot. It cook me? Should I rest it back in there? Just rest it back in there, then turn it off. Alright, so babe said it cooked, so I'm just gonna put it back in the oven, let it get a little more heat, and then I'm gonna turn it off. You ready to eat your dinner? So you're gonna play a game for you later and eat your dinner? I'm gonna eat my dinner though. So guys, you know, so normally two of this day, right? You know what happened to one of them? Take a look. See that? It dropped off. It dropped right off. And I think I'm just over this. I think I'm honestly just gonna take it down and do something different. I think so as well, because today I was looking on also an event, because we live down, like down on this apartment, we live down, so the heat kind of affects the whole walls and all of that. And yes, I think we need a vent, so I was looking on getting a vent. To get a vent. I was checking it out on Amazon today, and I think that's what I'm gonna do, because I think so, like the heat. And I probably gonna get somebody make something, because you know the cupboard vent them, that's the one I'm probably gonna get a little cupboard over there. I'm sure now what me I'm manifesting in my head. Hold on. So I get a little cupboard put up here and have the vent under it to be on, you know, get the stove and the hair can go up and all of that, and probably get a cupboard for it. And also the pan the gas starts to smell, so I don't think this is safe, so we want to try get it out of the house. Really not sure how it's gonna get out of the house, because by right it's supposed to be over where the fridge is, over here. The stove is supposed to be over there, but because our stove is so wide, the space where it's too small, so it can't hold in there. So yeah, I'm gonna eat my dinner. I'm hungry. Hi guys, so I'm here gonna have dinner now. I'm gonna have some boiled banana and some sweet potatoes. Yeah, don't mind my potatoes them look mash out and banana look pop off, but that's because them well boiled. And the water in the cooler part of the fridge this is the amount remaining. So I just emptied it out, like, honestly. So yeah, so this is dinner, and then while I'm having dinner I'm going to take in the burgers. Such an authentic family. I love them, honestly. I'm not always in the mood to watch all their videos. When them like them literally just post them, but like afterwards, yep, because this was posted probably 2 days ago. I'm just watching it. That's how I operate with everybody. Yeah, including myself, to like, I watch over my videos, but then I don't watch them over the same time. Yeah, that's just me. So right now I'm gonna have my dinner and I'm gonna pray, because I'm always trying my very best to give God thanks for providing for us and me. It's us because I told, but me, us, yes. So yep. Amen. So I'm gonna have my meal, guys, and if anything has happened I'll let you guys know. If not, I think I'm gonna end up the video here. Yeah, but if not, end up the video here. I'll look forward. I'm probably look a video here. Oh, smell it all bad. Until my mouth tell you.
The next day, the next day, the next day.
So guys, it's actually morning time now, and I'm about to have a piece of this ham. Piece of it is fried already in the pot. So I'm already frying this part. Hold on. You know that the ham is basically cooked already, so just kind of want to warm it up, right? So I'm still here in my PJs, in my ice cream PJs. Yeah, I woke up and I literally engaged the students in this. Yeah, so I was having the camera like down here, like, okay, students, okay, good morning. How are you doing this morning? How was last night? Did you have a good night's rest and all of that? Yeah, so let me cancel the ice cream. Alright, so it's probably about after 9 now, and I'm just making breakfast, and bless day I go on. I think I'm gonna have ham, bread. I just had some Cheerios as well. We got these Cheerios in the supermarket. Let me hold on. For my ham, not burning up. Wow, it's a burn up, people. Hold on. Some my ham a little bit on the edges, but that's okay because it's not the meat part, it's like the fat. So I just tossed my egg in the pot over there, and I'm looking around and it's a lot of cleaning here to be done. So yeah, a lot of cleaning. So I'm about to have my breakfast as soon as the egg finish fry, having it with bread. And oh no, I haven't quit my workout, my dieting. No, I probably just kind of paused since I got back from the whole weekend thing. This is the thing with exercise, you cannot leave it for too long, because it's like it needs an extra drive, an extra push, like, to start again, because I did not exercise from Wednesday before. So the Wednesday of last week, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, today's Wednesday. I said I was going to do it this morning. I gotta keep a track. I gotta keep check on my egg. Look, I'm have the egg away. So look at that tooth. Hold on, people. My egg got burned. Like, what? Tashoya, really go on here. Yeah, so with exercise, you can't too left it and not care about it. If you go, it's like you start fresh over. I'm pretty sure when I go back out, either this evening or morning or in the morning, I'm gonna feel like, what? I can't do this. Like I'm just starting. So yeah, but I am not leaving it out because I have to get rid of this double chin. I can't believe my double chin got so bad. Ugh. So yeah, I'm having regular breakfast though. Last night I did went ahead and had something healthy. It was very healthy. That meal was very healthy. So yeah, so that's what's up. So this is the first time we are both seen outside. Good morning, garden. I have cane here to eat. I don't know when I'm gonna have this. I don't have the drive to peel it. I don't like peel cane. And babe has some melons that he set over here, or so, whatever you guys call it. And yeah, beautiful flowers. Tomatoes ripen again. We have a lot of tomato trees down there, and we got a whole lot from it already. Broccoli, basically the broccoli we reap most of it, just small ones coming up, like, you know. And tomato, and yeah, a whole lot of young tomato bearing. Well, I'm planting up on Jesus. Look here. Them now burn. So whew, thank God. What a way me never stop to me burn up the plant of me. Watch here. Watch here. I'm telling you. What a way me never stop till the vlog lasts for 3 years. Yeah, people, it's like the next day, after the next day, after the next day. Yeah, literally. Yeah. And I'm just here closing out the vlog. Yes, I pulled up my hair. The quality of the hair was super poor. It was itching me, and I just really wanted to get rid of it. So that's like, as I said before, that hair was a quick fix done. So yeah, I'm gonna toss that hair in the trash, honestly. If I don't toss it in the trash, I'm just gonna leave it for a little ponytail or something. If not, rubbish me through it, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna close out the video here. If you are new, please subscribe. I really do appreciate it. Join the family. Don't forget to like the video, share the video, leave a comment down below in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in another video. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do to my hair. I just asked the hairdresser how much to braid it to the back. I don't even know, man. I don't even know. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, but until then, I'll see you guys in another vlog.